In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to find the option you want to trade. And to do this, let me actually guide you through it because it can be a bit tricky. So you want to go to watch list at the bottom left. That's one way to find them. And you want to tap at the very top right where you can see the plus button. So tap on that. And then in here, what you want to do is basically just scroll towards the right. So as you can see up top, there's a bunch of options. Go towards the very right. And here you have options. Now inside options, you want to search for whatever you want to trade. So for example, if I look for Apple like this, there we go. These are the different options you can trade on Apple. Okay, so there's going to be countless different ones. You can read, of course, the dates they're on, etc. There's going to be like a lot. So find the one that you want to trade. You can also tap on it and it's going to basically show you more details. Or you could, of course, long press it and over here you can open a chart, symbol screen, add alert, etc. Okay, now what you want to do here, what I usually do is whenever I tap on it, sometimes it's going to say that it actually can't show the chart. So if it can't show the chart, then you basically have to add it to the watch list and then trade it from there. But if it does show the chart like this, so I tapped on a random one, for example, that's going to work. So if I tap on this option over here, there we go. I can just tap on the trade button at the bottom and there we go. It's going to open the chart of that specific option. Now to basically trade options, you want to go to the bottom right of your chart where you can see the like arrow up, arrow down button above community. It's this one. You want to tap on that. And then from here, you want to connect to your broker. You want to trade options with. So I'm just going to go with paper trading right now. But of course, you can select whichever one you were using. So I'm going to tap on that and tap on connect. There we go. Now, if you, of course, are using a broker, you're going to have to provide your credentials to your account to be able to actually use this. And then in here, you want to tap on the same button at the bottom yet again. So the arrow up, arrow down. And in here, you can now trade. So you have the option to either buy or sell up top. And then, of course, you can specify the type of order you want, either market, limit, or stop. And then you can select the amount of units, different exits like take profits or stop losses. And then you can see your order info. If that's good to you, you can simply tap on buy or sell, and there we go. You're successfully trading options on the TradingView mobile app. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.